Welcome back to Omada. In this video, we're going to look at company announcements and communications in that way. So we don't really have anything within settings for your company admin. All of it is done through this company announcements tab on the top. On my dashboard, there is a place where it has the latest announcements. And if you don't have anything, you can create your first announcements by clicking this button and it'll take you right over to this page. Now for admins, you can post announcements. So when you post an announcement, obviously it goes out to the company. It sends a notification to everybody in the company that there's a new announcement as well. And then your staff can come in and then they can comment on different announcements as well. So let's post an announcement. Let's get a holiday party. Join us for our annual holiday party. Let me move this, take that, and let's make this one a little bigger. Let's make it bold. Great. And then let's take that back off. Let's go back down to 12 point. And then we can, let's say it's Friday, the December 20th, whatever. You can add whatever you want, okay? And you can add links to it or whatever you want to add to it. There's a link button here. You can add some pictures, whatever that looks like for you. And let's post this. So this is going to send a notification to all of the employees of this announcement. And we also have that announcement here below. You can minimize this post thing so you can see this. You can be able to see these in block view like that, or you can see them in list view. And as of right now, there's 0 comments. If you come back over here on the dashboard, now our latest announcement is right here with the holiday party and a little bit of information about that. And then you can view that. User can come in here. Sounds fun. Can't wait. And then we can post that. So John knows that this person said that. And then you, as an admin, you can delete these comments, or a user has that comment. They can delete their own comment if they want. Okay. And then as an admin, you can delete these as well. So again, there's the block view, or you can do it a list view. And it's just a quick way of having company announcements, and those announcements go out and notify the employees of these announcements. So it's just a quick way so it doesn't get lost in email. I know announcements, different things get lost in email. It's a central place where you can have company-wide announcements go out to, and you can manage and track that so nothing gets lost. Thanks.